Hey everybody, it's Michael at Beartooth. We're going to show you how to connect your Beartooth and some settings. So first thing to do when you connect your Beartooth, screw the antenna onto the SMA connector. Then push the power switch to the on position away from the antenna. You'll see your serial number populate in the Bluetooth settings of ATAC. You'll click on that serial number and now you're connected. The green rings will affirm that you're connected. Enable any additional permissions that the ATAC system asks for. And now you're up and going. Again, the green rings indicating that you're connected properly to your Beartooth. Every Beartooth ships with network ID 5150. But we want to go over to our own network. So we're going to click on the network ID settings. That's going to open up an entry box. We're going to enter a new network ID, in this case 5156. Right now we're running unencrypted, but you'll see the encryption toggle below that. We're going to click that. Now we're going to enter our encryption key. Make sure that you use the same key for everyone on your team. That allows your networked Mark II devices to communicate with each other in a secure manner that prevents interception because the traffic is AES-256 encrypted. So once we've entered that key, we'll hit Save Changes. Now we're running on an encrypted network. Let's look at some additional features in the settings. So right now we're sharing location. That's live. It's being set to all of our teammates. We could turn that off. You'll see we can change distance from polling every 40 meters or 10 seconds. We could change that to 5 meters or 5 seconds or extend that. You'll see that we've got options for network scanning, diagnostics tools, and adding a Beartooth on a map. Along with, up at the top, you've got battery status indicator. Looks like this battery needs to be charged. And you'll see that you can disconnect from your Beartooth as well. Thanks for joining today's tutorial.